Hey guys, today I'm making beef stroganoff, a very easy Russian dish that even kids will enjoy. So let's start. I start by cutting up my meat, and I'm using a very nice piece of tenderloin, but you can use sirloin too. This meal is gonna be enough for 4 people. I hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. I have 2 cloves of garlic, half an onion chopped roughly, and some mushroom, 4 to 5 mushrooms, and I sliced them thick. I used Bella mushrooms, baby Bella mushrooms, and a little bit of sour cream. That's most of the ingredients. I'm gonna show you what to do now. I'm gonna heat up my pan, a cast iron pan. 2 tablespoons of butter, a little bit of olive oil, and then I'm gonna sear my meat. A very quick cooking method. It just takes seconds, and I flip them on the other side. Doesn't have to cook all the way. Just sear it on very high heat. And I do it in batches because I don't want my pan to lose its heat and I want the meat to stay juicy. I add another touch of butter and saute my onions and my mushrooms, my thickly sliced mushrooms. Let it benefit from all the flavor in the pan. The dish has a little bit more than one step, but it's very easy to follow. Now I'm gonna add my garlic and leave it a little bit more, and pepper and salt my mushrooms. And when it gets to this point, it's almost ready to add my flour. Not more than 2 tablespoons, and I let it cook for a little bit to lose that raw edge. Now it's time to add my stock, beef or chicken, it doesn't matter. 2 cups in that case. And I let it boil and get a little thick. It's time to add the rest of my ingredients. And I'm gonna add my oregano. A little bit of oregano is gonna add so much flavor. sour cream, about 2 tablespoons, not more than 2 tablespoons. And a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, and if you don't have it, don't worry about it. And finally, a touch of cream and a little bit of mustard, about 1 tablespoon, I'll say. And the dish is almost ready. All I need to do is add my beef with all the juices and let it cook for just a little bit. And I'm taste testing it to adjust the flavors, but it's perfect. And I sneaked a piece of meat and it's so tender and so good. What's left to do is boil some pasta, and I'm gonna use some fresh egg noodles pasta that are gonna cook in no time. I boil my water, add some salt, four to 5 minutes and it's ready. I either mix it with the sauce or serve the pasta on the side. I'm gonna do it on the side this time, and I'm gonna serve it with some green beans. Make it and I promise it will disappear the same day. I hope you'll enjoy.